love you. I love you.
Hello my dearies, welcome back to my channel. Today I created this makeup look. I was inspired by Makeup by Julie, but I added details on my makeup, change it up a bit. I think it came out pretty awesome. I really like this makeup look today. If you want to see how I created this makeup look, please keep watching. We're gonna start by using the so awaited product that I wanted ever since it came out, and I finally have it. It's the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, and let's try it out. I'm so excited. Hola, químico. Just chemicals. Oops. And I want to apologize if you listen to my son. He's right next to me, right here. Feels kind of like, it does feel soft, but I feel like cooling in my face. My personal opinion, I feel like very cooling.
Let that color look down. Love you, son. Then I love you back.
Oh, here you see that my little baby, he just wants to help me out. I love him so much. This is real life, my dearies. You gotta do your makeup with your baby on your lap. I was basically saying that I don't have money to be buying a lot of makeup, so that's why I'm still using the same foundation as like my first or second video. Just use the Wet n Wild concealer. I have the shade light medium beige. See everything coming through. And I'm gonna use the Maybelline New York Setting Perfecting Loose Powder. It says that it sets, modifies, blurs, smooths, and it's in the shade. It doesn't say what, but I guess it's just translucent, the white one. Trying to do videos. This little baby, but it's been a little bit difficult because he wants to be held all the time. Yeah, you know I'm talking about you. And I used for the this blue on my crease on my eyelid, the pink with glitter on the lower lash line, and that light like lime yellow lime green color. It's from the Laura Lee Party Animal palette. Here you go. So I used Isa Party, I used Bottoms Up and Damage Control and Karaoke. Okay. Next, I'm gonna be using the Wet n Wild Color Icon Bronzer. Next, I'm gonna be using Color Icon from Wet n Wild Blush, the Fantastic Plastic Pink. My baby wants to open it. This is the color. Some shimmer in it. Let's see. Yeah, it's very hella pigmented. Thank God you didn't see it, but my son actually vomited. I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild highlighting powder in the shade Blossom Glow. Let me wet it. I'm sorry that I've been basically very quiet on this video, but it's because my honey went to sleep. He needs to work the next day, and I just been trying to do the most quietly video ever just so he doesn't wake up. So I'm sorry. That's why I put music, and that's why I fast forwarded every single video to make it shorter, because I know it might be a little bit boring watching this video. So I decided to go with that cat suit lipstick from Wet n Wild, because the NYX lipstick one, it was too matte and my lips are already too dry, and I didn't want to dry them out more with the NYX one. So I decided to go for that one because it's a little bit more moistured, I would say. And that's about it. I gotta put little lashes on, and I'll see you in a little bit. Alright, my dearies, this is the final result, and I think it came out pretty nice. As far as the Elf Poreless primer, I am really enjoying it. So far, so good. And it looks like my makeup is gonna stay a little bit longer than usual. So yeah, thanks Elf for creating this primer. I am really enjoying it. So as far as the blue eyeshadow, I am not really enjoying it. It's from the Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal palette. Um, it just it's like splotchy, and it doesn't really stay on. I don't know if you can guys see it, but like here, because I have like a lot of wrinkles in my eyes, my eyelids, like those areas that I have like little wrinkles, it goes away. Yeah, and I've tried the pink color before. The pink color? No, I think it's this one. I tried it before, and the pink color with those that glitter. I tried it before and it stains my eyelids. So that's a no-no. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Yeah. Yeah. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Comment, share, and subscribe. Let me know what other videos you guys want to see. And I'll see you in the next one.